Any other questions?
Neha ji, on your left.
So cricket is always going to be a very integral part of my life. I don't think I can ever quit that. I love the sport, and it's given me a livelihood, and I'll always value that. So I'll keep cricket for sure.
And now you're getting to do the best of both. You get to play it. You play a cricketer in a forthcoming film.
Neha ji,
Yeah.
season 3.
Oh yeah. Sorry, huh? Next question.
ओके नेहा जी, सीजन 3 का वीडियो हमें देखने को मिला, काफ़ी इंटरटेनिंग एंड फन था. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि अब टाइम आ गया इसे टीवी पे आने का, इसका वीडियो आना चाहिए? क्योंकि ऑडियो हमने देखा बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, अब वीडियो भी आना चाहिए.
जी बिल्कुल. हम क्योंकि हम को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं शो बिटवीन बिग गर्ल प्रोडक्शंस एज माय प्रोडक्शन कंपनी एंड सावन. हमारी ये बातचीत चली थी एंड वी थॉट दैट एट नो पॉइंट वी वांटेड टू बिकम अ हाइब्रिड शो कि फिर हम ना इधर के रहेंगे ना उधर के रहेंगे. वी वांटेड टू गो, वी वांट इट टू गो video, but maybe in a year's time or maybe the year after. But right now, if I may say so myself, in all modesty, the fact that we've got these millions of streams and we've been doing extremely well and we're almost the #1 player as far as an audio show is concerned, we'd like to stay on top in the category that we belong to and then move on to video when we can. Also, ऑडियो करने पे एक अलग किस्म की मिस्ट्री जो होती है, जो गेस्ट को लगता है कि कोई आसपास नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स दे गेट कंफर्टेबल बिकॉज़
they're less conscious.
Sorry,
the guests are less conscious.
Yeah, they're less conscious and उस तरह के एक concept जो आसपास होता है. And I mean, Gaurav's here on my left and he produces and hosts a wonderful show called Breakfast with Champions, and he'll agree with me, the more comfortable and the less cameras that you have around, but his show is video and then he manages to do such a good job of it because उनको लगता नहीं है कि वो actually बातचीत कर रहे हैं, but बिना कुछ बोले भी वो काफी कुछ बोल जाते हैं. I mean,
yeah, the internet is the content that you make, especially when it's on the internet, when it's streaming, it has to evoke a sense of intimacy for the person who's viewing or the person who's listening. Because the internet is not like television. Television is consumed in India, family, like people consume it together. Everything on the internet is consumed individually. So they're either listening or they're watching like that on their phones. So it's got to be a little intimate. And that's why I like the show so much, because इन्होंने एक माहौल ऐसा बना दिया है कि आप जब सुन रहे हैं तो आपको लगता है कि बस ये दो हैं और मैं हूँ और हम तीनों के अलावा और कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे. So they do that, we try to do on video and they do really well on audio.
एंड नेहा जी, दूसरा सवाल ये कि ढेरों सारी सेलिब्रिटी, ढेरों सारी पर्सनालिटी आपके शो में आती है एंड हमने वीडियो भी देखा, काफ़ी इंटरटेनिंग एंड फन होता है. कोई ऐसी पर्सनालिटी जिसका आपको भी इंतज़ार है कि आने का, कि हाँ ये आए हमारे शो में?
No, I'm a very big Shah Rukh Khan fan, and year after year हमारी कहीं ना कहीं बात ऐसे हम छेड़ते हैं इस बात को, and Shah Rukh's always like, yeah, I'm going to come, and then कुछ ना कुछ, it's a timing thing or something else. But yeah, it'll be great to be in conversation with him because I feel that he's amazing on film, on video, on any chat show. There's no topic that he can't talk on, and I've been in conversations with him many times in my life, and it's always been extremely interesting, and hopefully one day we'll capture that conversation and put it out on No Filter Neha.
सोहा एंड सोफी को भी देखेंगे हम?
बिल्कुल, सोहा एंड सोफी एंड गौरव सबको हम देखेंगे टर्न बाय टर्न. बट
आपको नजर नहीं आ रहा हम कितने enthusiastic लग रहे हैं?
I mean, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है that on such a special day like the launch, my friends are here with me and supporting me through this, and that's the most important thing.
Any more questions? Because I have.
Thank you very much, man. ये question, so I planted the question with you.
You did.
Thank you. Good job.
Do you have a question? Anybody? I have one. Huh? बताइए. Big girl has another question. Big girl has a question. Okay, I have one question. In fact, two questions, Neha.
Somebody has a question.
While they're oh, you have a question?
Please ask. Please feel free to ask as many questions, guys. No problem.
Neha, is it easier for you to get the celebrities comfortable because you have already worked or you know most of them? So, do you think it's easier for you to get them to talk and to reveal stuff?
I mean, I'd have to say, yeah, most definitely yes. The hard part is actually convincing them to come on the show, because I mean, there's sometimes we get guests who we don't know, who I don't know really well, but we're all from the same fraternity, and they're nice enough to come on the show, and then they're like, karna kya hai? And they start with a little bit of hesitation, but after the chat is over, they're extremely comfortable. And like last year, I didn't know Sonakshi at all, and I just cold called her, and I was just like, Sonakshi, will you come on the show? And she was just like, yeah, most definitely. But after doing that show, we ended up becoming, close and friendly, and now we chat a lot more. So I think that chemistry comes in because, ki theek hai, industry ki hai, won't go that far. And as a producer, the first thing I say to them is, please speak your heart out, and in case you want me to edit anything at all, it'll go in the bin immediately. So protecting them is the most important thing for me.
Can I ask you quickly? Sorry. Have celebrities asked you to cut out things?
Yes, lots of times. And you'll be surprised. You basically think, okay, this one's going to be very strict and ye kuch bolenge, ye. So, sometimes, like I've just finished shooting for Ela with Kajol, and her episode is going to be in the release week of Ela. And I'm very grateful to her that she's come on the show. And I was like, most definitely, because I'd
You
really
expected her to be very filtered.
I would, yeah, and then she just didn't ask for any cut. She didn't ask for any, like, sort of, even a word was like, I was like, would you want me to edit anything? And she was like, absolutely not. She spoke her mind, she knew what she wanted, and she was very entertaining.
And she was fine with the bloopers too.
Absolutely fine. And then there are other people who you think, who I can't name, who you think are going to be, just to protect them, who you think are going to be lots of fun, but they'll keep messaging and asking for edits. But as a producer, you have to protect your guests and then, edit whatever they want.
I figured you'd be surprised by some.
Neha,
There's a question.
over this side, yeah.
Yeah.
सबसे पहले तो शो की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं आपको. आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, मी टू मोमेंट की लहर दौड़ रही है बॉलीवुड फ्रेटर्निटी में. पहले तनुश्री दत्ता, उसके बाद अब कंगना रनौत. आप क्या कुछ राय व्यक्त करना चाहेंगे इस पूरे मी टू मोमेंट के बारे में?
As a woman, not just as an actor, it's something that when we started hearing about it and we started reading about it, it made me angry, it made me furious. And the fact that women are coming out and speaking about it is firstly, it should not happen. Secondly, it's very, very brave that they're coming out and speaking about it. And I feel that all of us, like sometimes I read articles and see, we're still questioning it. I think there's no need to question it. We have to believe them. They can't put themselves out there to such an extent, and then people are still saying that, oh, what if, what not? No, not at all. I mean, it's a big movement. It started, and it's great. Now the real cleanup will happen. It is going to happen. It is happening as we speak. And it's important that something like this is happening in India as well. So I would love to go out there, support any woman who needs my help, anybody who's coming out and talking about it. And yeah, talking about it now also makes me angry. Yeah. So I'm going to stop.
I just want to add something. I think it's. Go. Sorry, मैं कहने लगी थी कि I think the worst thing that's happening is people are asking Tanushri why 10 years later. I think it's really sad that that's what we're focusing on, because in 10 years she did disappear. वो अपनी prime में नहीं है कि she's suddenly going to come back and become some A-list heroine by creating news and creating controversy. To be honest, having known Tanushri a little bit, I think she was on a show. उनसे पूछा गया कि आप फिल्मों से क्यों गायब हुई? उन्होंने साफ जवाब दे दिया. और आजकल का environment ऐसा है कि वो बात बहुत बड़ी बन गई, which is really great, because 10 years ago, even if I had tried to bring up a few issues, and many of us who must have faced things, the environment was not friendly. God forbid, agar aap thode bahut glamorous the, you would end up getting the blame. And we've seen it in the past, even with somebody like a Mamta Kulkarni, who was at the peak of her career. She was completely alienated overnight. That was the mahal before. Today, women are speaking and they're getting more support. Are we at the level of America? No, I don't think so. But I think we need to definitely create a more positive environment for women to start speaking, to start opening up. और अगर हमारे सवाल ऐसे होंगे कि 10 साल बाद क्यों, if that is the focus, I think that's a very negative focus. I think you need to encourage people to speak. And I think you also need to make those lines very clear. What is harassment? What is, what is actually harassment? And that needs to be made very, very clear. Huh?
And just to add to what Sophie's saying, the 10 saal baad kyun 10 saal pehle, you know, even Farhan has mentioned, taken up for Tanushree and said ki wo 10 saal pehle bhi ho raha tha. We've seen footage. We've seen the fact that you know, people were pushing her car. We've seen footage like that. So the fact that she's waking up 10 years later, that's not the point. She tried speaking even then.
Yeah, and she wasn't given the
So
chance.
let's not question that. Let's question the people who are in the line of fire. Let's question the men. Let's listen to the women a little more carefully. Let's not just turn a blind eye. Let's not turn a deaf ear to the situation and to what's happening. It's time we all wake up, guys.
So,
I think they've both spoken so eloquently. I don't want to repeat them. But I think that it's wonderful that women are speaking out. It's very difficult to sometimes be a woman in a country like India. They go through a lot on a daily basis. And certain things we've just accepted as this is the lot of a woman, to be harassed on a regular basis, whether you're on a train, whether you're at work, whether you're in the film industry, whether you're in a bank. You've just accepted it. You've been taught to brush it under the carpet. You've been taught that you'll be a difficult person to work with, and we've all moved on with our lives. It takes a lot of courage to stand up and say that I want to tell my story, and women need to be supported, women need to be encouraged when they do that. So it's a wonderful thing that it's being spoken about, that it's being accepted. I don't know what consequences are going to take place, if any. I hope that there will be some consequences, because at the end of the day, that's what people want to see, a change. That's what this whole movement is about. So without saying anything else, I completely stand in support of any woman who wants to share her story.
Yeah, hi, Nia. Hi. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I just want to ask you one question, that apart from the Bollywood celebrities, will we be seeing any celebrities from the field of politics, and apart from cricket, any other sports personalities?
Yes, we have Harbhajan. What we do is we try and keep a balance between actors who come on the show, and then we have directors, producers, writers, everyone. And then this year we have Harbhajan. We've got Badshah from music. We've got Zoya as a director. We've got Karan, producer, director, and everything, all the 1 million things that.
but that's a great idea to get some politicians on the show.
Politicians,
Yes.
that's true.
फिर तो filter लगाने पड़ेंगे खूब सारे.
We still have 2 more spots to go, and that's why we keep them kind of vacant, so that you know, if you have any suggestions, anyone that you'd want on the show, we'll try and reach out to them and then get them.
So if you had to call a politician on the show, who would you call?
Oh, if I had to call a politician on the show. Acha, theek hai. So we have 2 spots. I'll give one to Rahul Gandhi and one to Narendra Modi. Yes, absolutely. We all thought together that we should invite, you know, I don't know if I should say my father-in-law. Yeah.
I think you should, because he is your
Mr.
father-in-law.
भाई देखिए, वो तो आप उनको normal life में भी मिले, वो no
Dad.
filter ही हैं. उनको show पे बुलाओगे अगर ना, तो मतलब studio फट जाएगा, कान फट जाएंगे लोगों के. He's totally the spirit of no filter.
Yeah, he really is no filter. But then, believe it or not, I hardly ever get nervous when I'm doing my own job. And the minute his name came up, and I was just like, can I ask him questions the way I do ask other people on the show? And then
Do you go into Bahu mode or something?
my entire team was like, no, we must reach out to him and we must get him. And then I got a little nervous, so I held back. Maybe on season 4.
Gaurav Kapoor handles him the best. So.
Yes, I have to say, Gaurav, nobody can handle Bishan Singh Bedi the way Gaurav Kapoor does. Not even my mother-in-law, I promise you.
नहीं, handle क्या करना है? वो, see, he's a wily spinner. You just have to be defensive when you're facing him. That's all. Be defensive and have good footwork.
Which right now my wife doesn't have.
Oh, but she will indeed. Well, thank you all
What,
very
I don't
much.
have good footwork?
At the moment,
You're not
you
defensive.
Yeah.
Attacking.
Yeah.
Attacking.
Attack and defense.
Thank you all for being here. Thank you so much. And No Filter Neha season 3 starts tomorrow. We are about to get up for the photo op, guys. So should we have some placards and things to hold, guys. So shall we?